Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here, and this is a very quick short video that I'm making for all of you. It's going to be wonderful. और ये short video मैं थोड़े टाइम बाद बना रहा हूँ. Right now I'm out, लेकिन मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं मार्केट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जंक्शन पे तो आप लोग के लिए वीडियो बनाओ. I just want to check if you are able to hear me out, see me, and is it loud and clear? Okay, fantastic. तो पहले तो ये वीडियो अगर शॉर्ट वीडियोस आप लोग को पसंद आ रहा है, so do let me know. These short videos are useful for you all. So I'll ensure that uh, I'll keep making these short videos again and again. और दूसरी चीज, just give me a second. If you have any questions or doubts, do not forget to put them down in the comments. If you're watching this on Twitter, do not forget to retweet. Comment डालो, retweet करो, so that I know that you are liking it. And अगर आप YouTube पे देख रहे हो तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. तो देखते हैं दोस्तों, मार्केट हो क्या रहा है और मॉर्निंग ट्वीट क्या था. मॉर्निंग ट्वीट मेंशन दैट प्राइस शुड मूव बैक ऑन दी अपसाइड. मैंने आज नहीं, मैंने फ्राइडे को ही बोला था that looking at the time cycle, looking at neo wave and looking at AK indicator, we should start seeing a movement on the upside and price should start moving higher, possibly with a gap, become a positional trader now rather than a intraday, because gap के साथ जाएगा तो अपॉर्चुनिटी कम मिलेगी. So positional trade में पैसा बनेगा. So directly Nifty opened up gap up. Morning mentioned था कि we should see a move towards 26,150 and price cross that also. So do not second guess this rally. I'm going to share across chart weekly and continue to ride it unless we see a close below prior day low. But before I move on, just to ensure this is purely from learning education perspective, and we are SEBI registered research analyst, and do not forget to maintain stop loss. I can go wrong. Market है दोस्तों, there is always a risk. There is no guarantee. To ensure that you maintain stop losses, and guarantee नहीं होती है मार्केट में, वो ध्यान रखना है हमको. So let me just share across my screen. And I mentioned in the last week a video that there is a possibility of massive short covering and small cap index can lead post 12th of December. We'll look at that and we'll look at how it all went from there. Let us look at the daily chart. If you look at the daily candle, the three candlestick rule clearly shows buy as per the three candlestick rule. AK indicator strongly turned on the upside. All this happened within the zone of the time cycle. And very importantly, this was a false break. False breakout pattern हमने mentorship में किया है. All the mentees who are watching this, they might understand what is the false break that I'm talking about and what a move. So we are starting this wave G on the upside as per Neo wave. This was A, B, C, D, E, F done. Wave G higher started already here. Bifurcate हुआ यहाँ पे, G का ये हुआ, G का भी हुआ. We should be heading towards higher, much higher from here on. Eventually towards 26,400. वो पड़ाव आना है पहले. And then we should be crossing 27,000 levels also. That's how it's looking like. It's a very strong breakout. And if you go on hourly chart, look at the AK indicator. Hourly chart may be amazing signal. We got it on 19th itself. Classic signal, basis of which I said, get ready for positional trades now. Scalping छोड़ो, positional trade के लिए ready हो जाओ. And we got a move on the upside now. So यहाँ पर these gaps are very important. You have to understand. Maintain the gaps. The gaps are going to be crucial. This gap is important. These gaps are going to be important. Gaps fill होता है, ये wrong theory है. जरूरी नहीं gap fill हो. 2008 का gap, 9 का gap अब तक fill नहीं. So we are here right now. Use dips to buy. Dip कैसे देखना है मैं आपको दूसरे स्क्रीन पे लेके जाता हूँ. वहां पर मैं आपको शॉर्ट टर्म टाइम साइकिल के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ कि क्या देखना है. यहाँ पर अगर आप मेरा स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो वेरी क्लियरली, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड. एंड हाँ, यहाँ पर दिस इज 43 पीरियड साइकिल. सिंपल है. ये एक इंडिकेटर देखिए यहाँ पे. इट टर्न्ड ऑन द बाय साइड हियर व्हेन ऑल द थ्री लाइंस टच्ड अप. नेवर केम ऑन द सेल साइड. सेल साइड कब होता है? जब तीनों लाइन नीचे टच हो जाए. सो सिग्नल कहाँ मिला हमें? 25,900 पे. 26,162 है. अभी तक सेल साइड सिग्नल नहीं मिला है. हम टाइम साइकिल जोन्स से रिवर्स हो रहे, प्रिसाइजली चल रहे हैं. और लूनार साइकिल अमावस्या पे बाइंग आया है. सो दैट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग साइन. अमावस्या यूजुअली सेलिंग में था, लेकिन बाइंग आया. सो what should be the strategy for tomorrow? Strategy is simple. Do not second guess. The overall trend is positive. Expectation 26,400 है जहां तक हम जाना चाहिए. Eventually we will go higher from a positional perspective. So keep that as a move. Downside support now is around 25,990. उसके नीचे आया तो गड़बड़ है. Maintain stop loss. That is very crucial. Otherwise, use any dips as a buying opportunity and keep riding it for 26,400. That's the short-term target that I'm looking at. Let's see if it opens gap up again. This is a gapping market. It has just started and weekly trend तो बहुत ही जबरदस्त है. Weekly trend तो breakout आया, retest किया यहाँ पे and we are again headed higher. So not very often you will see this. I'll show you the small cap index also. CNX small cap index की हमने बात की थी. I'll just share across the small cap index and look at the daily chart of small cap index. I mentioned 12th of December is the date. We went here, यहाँ पर गए, higher low बनाया, and the momentum is starting. This is again a failed breakout. I think small cap is going to lead. So many of you who are worrying about your portfolio, I think it's our time now. तो देखते हैं. चलिए आज के लिए ये शॉर्ट वीडियो यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. एंड इफ यू आर लाइकिंग इट then do not forget to subscribe and write down your comment. So I'll make more such videos. I'm trialing for a few days, but I'll ensure I am always there for you all. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. And that shows my commitment to all of you. Thank you.